Now, let's look at the stockist module in Clota RX. This module is designed to manage medicines and inventory efficient, ensuring accurate availability for doctor prescriptions. The stockist logs in securely using registered credentials. OTP verification ensures authorized access to medicine and inventory data. After login, the stockist is welcomed to the dashboard. The dashboard provides a clear, category-wise overview of medicines. This helps the stockist quickly understand how medicines are organized and managed in the system. Now, let's move to the medicines section. In the medicine sections, there are two tabs, local medicines and all medicines. Each tab has a specific purpose. Local medicines contains the medicines that the clinic or hospital is actively using. These are the medicines that doctor prescribe in this clinic. In local medicines, the stockist can add, edit and manage medicines. For each medicine, an action button is available. Using the action button, the stockist can edit or correct medicine details if required. To ensure medicine's information remains accurate and up to date. To add a new medicine, the stockist clicks on the Add Medicine. A pop-up window appears. The stockist fills in all required medicine details. After clicking Add, the medicine is automatically added to the local medicines list. If the stockist needs to upload medicines in bulk, this can be done using the Import option. By uploading an Excel file, multiple medicines can be added at once. Before submitting, the uploaded list can be reviewed. Once confirmed, the medicines are added to the local medicines tab. The All Medicines tab displays a complete master list of medicines. This tab helps doctors search and select medicines easily during prescription. By keeping the local medicines list updated, the stockist supports accurate digital prescription. Doctors can confidently prescribe medicines knowing that the list is correct and approved. This reduces prescription errors and improves coordination. The stockist module ensures smooth coordination with doctors and reception staff. It helps maintain reliable medicines availability throughout the clinic. To log out, the stockist clicks on the profile icon and select Log Out.